Many people start YouTube channels and want to monetize their content, but very few monetization applications are accepted. This process, which takes time to learn and relies on experience, has certain rules and things to keep in mind. First, don't use videos that belong to others. That is, videos that aren't your own. For example, don't download videos from YouTube or other sites and use them. Otherwise, YouTube will consider them reused content, and your monetization application will be rejected. If you film your videos yourself with a phone or camera, you won't encounter this problem because your videos will be original content. Don't use music that has previously appeared on an album and is copyrighted. YouTube easily detects this and issues a copyright warning. You cannot monetize videos with copyright warnings. YouTube offers some copyright-free music that can be used in videos as an audio library. Even some sites offering free copyright-free music may have copyright issues. Therefore, you must be very careful. A video consisting of a sequence of static images, known as a slideshow, is against YouTube's rules, even if it includes music. When creating such a video, you must add movement to the images. You can make your video compliant with the rules by zooming in or out, or by moving the images. Avoid making videos that are similar or repeat themselves. YouTube doesn't want easily produced, fabricated, or automatically generated content. Original videos that require effort are preferred by YouTube.